Hello everybody, it's Trisha at Huntress Habits, and I just thought I'd make a quick video about categories. Now, how many times have you gone into images and the first thing that you did was type in what you were looking for? Whoops, it still got what I was doing a while ago. Let's clear that out. Here we go. When you type into images, first thing you do, it comes as default up to images, and then you just type in what you're searching for. Well, have you thought about using categories? Of course, it takes you to the featured items, which is free for this week, and let's talk about that just for a second. Some beautiful script and fonts going on this week. Now they are doing it from Fridays to Fridays. I know in my last video that I just did last week, I knew something was changing, but I wasn't sure what, and that's what they've done. They've changed it from Fridays to Fridays. Okay, you only get this for a week. Okay, but then let's go back. We go to images, and it comes up, categories. Then you've got your most popular and your recently added ones. Those are always good to try. You've got quilt blocks here. Did you know that? For those people that have the maker, right off the bat, you've got quilt blocks. That has just recently been added. So that's always a good thing to check. Now let's go back. And I'm probably not going back in the correct manner. In categories, there we go. We've got most popular. Let's see what everybody is looking at right now. These are the ones that everyone is searching right now. Your most popular being at the top. Okay. What I want us to look at today is what's down here in categories. You've got all sorts of images that have been divided for you. Let's just say, with it being Easter weekend, I wanted a bunny rabbit and a Easter basket and maybe the words Happy Easter. I click on Easter instead of having to individually look for those images, and it's going to pull everything that's been tagged for Easter up. I can filter those out to images that is just in CRICUT Access. If I'm just wanting backgrounds or textures, if I'm wanting only phrases, let's do that real quick. See, and we've just got the ones, and I want just the Access one, so I didn't actually click on it, I was just showing it to you. There we go. It can filter it any way you want without using the search for each item that you're wanting. Okay, back to categories. Mother's Day is coming up. Do you have an idea of what you want to do for Mother's Day? Whether you're making a card, making a shirt. To get a quick idea, look at these images. And just do it by going to the category section. When was the last time you just browsed through here? I like this one that says, amazing, thanks, sweet, kind, lovely, and wonderful. I want that on a shirt. I'm not saying it'd be a shirt I'd wear, but a shirt for someone, because I do know people like that. Okay, so this is everything that is tagged for Mother's Day. Now let's go back, and I am going to click the back button this time. Clear my filters, because I still had it on phases, and for our CRICUT Access. I don't know if y'all realize that. I didn't mention it. Okay, we want to clear that filter, go back to categories, and let's look at one more thing before we go to the next video. If you go down to the bottom, oh look, wedding ideas. I know somebody getting married real soon. Okay, brands. If you know that you want a Disney character, but you can't remember the name of that Disney character, if you click on it, and most of these are going to have a cost unless you've purchased, because there's not a lot in Cricut Design Space for our Disney, but there are some. Here we go. Here are all the ones that are tagged with Disney. Maybe you were wanting this bunny rabbit, but you could not think of Rabbit's name as being Rabbit. Or you wanted Tigger, but you couldn't think of their name. All you got to do, you just knew they were Disney. There's ER. Okay? So think about using categories the next time you work with Design Space or you're needing that idea. I hope you have gotten some new idea from this video. We've got lots more to give you. I'm just streaming through here to give you an idea of all the brands that we've got in Cricut Design Space categories. See you in the next one. Have a great day. Be sure and subscribe. Click on the bell for notifications and share my video. I would love to know that you have shared it. Thank you. Please leave a comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Have a great day.